Exploring different cryptocurrencies and their uses, CosmoTech Chronicles tutorial. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to CosmoTech Chronicles, your go-to channel for everything related to T0 tech and innovation. I'm Sushanta, and today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. In this video, we'll be exploring various cryptocurrencies and their real-world applications. So, whether you're a crypto enthusiast or a complete newbie, stay tuned because this video is for you. Before we dive into specific cryptocurrencies, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a cryptocurrency? Well, it's a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized network called blockchain. To understand how cryptocurrencies work, imagine a digital ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This ledger is constantly updated, making it nearly impossible to alter or manipulate transactions. Bitcoin, the pioneer. Our first stop in the world of cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, the pioneer. Created by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009, Bitcoin set the stage for the crypto revolution. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold. It's primarily used as a store of value and a medium of exchange. People invest in Bitcoin hoping its value will increase over time, like investing in gold or other assets. Ethereum, smart contracts, and beyond. Next up, we have Ethereum, which takes blockchain technology to the next level. Ethereum was proposed by Vitalik Buterin in 2013 and launched in 2015. What sets Ethereum apart is its ability to run smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. This opens the door to countless applications, from decentralized finance to NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Ripple, XRP, cross-border payment. Moving on to Ripple, XRP, this cryptocurrency focuses on facilitating cross-border payments. Ripple aims to make international money transfers faster, cheaper, and more secure. Its network connects financial institutions and enables them to send money across borders with minimal fees and faster settlement times compared to traditional banking systems. Decentralized oracles. Now, let's talk about Chainlink, a cryptocurrency with a unique purpose. Chainlink provides decentralized oracles, acting as bridges between blockchain smart contracts and real-world data. This is crucial because it allows smart contracts to interact with external data sources, making them more versatile and applicable in various industries, from finance to supply chain management. Cardano, ADA, smart contracts with sustainability. Cardano, ADA, is another exciting cryptocurrency that's gaining popularity. What makes Cardano stand out is its focus on sustainability, scalability, and smart contracts. They're working to create a more energy-efficient and eco-friendly blockchain platform while also aiming to empower underserved populations by providing financial services. That's a wrap on our journey through some of the most prominent cryptocurrencies and their use cases. Remember, the crypto space is continually evolving, and there are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its unique purpose. Whether you're interested in investing, building on blockchain technology, or just curious about the future of finance, cryptocurrencies have something to offer. Always do your research and stay informed to make the most of this exciting digital frontier. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to CosmoTech Chronicles, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech trends. If you have any questions or want to see more videos like this, please leave a comment below. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the cosmos of technology. This is Sushant, signing off.